Today we're going to be doing a review, unboxing, and not a tutorial, but kind of like some trying on some colors and stuff. So I decided to order more items from the Crayon case company because I really liked the eyeshadow palette. So I decided to go ahead and try their lip stuff. So I didn't get a lot of products, but I wanted to show you guys, and I wanted to go over like how the texture feels and all of that. So if you guys are interested, just keep watching. So this is my package right here. It's this order on Monday. Today's Thursday, so it took like about 3 days, but it came pretty quick, just like the first order. So I'm just opening it up with you guys. First thing that I'm pulling out, these are the colored pencils. So these bring 6 colors, which is awesome. So these right here were $10. So you get 6 pencils for $10, which is not bad. The thank you card, which was the same card that I got in the first package. And then I also got the report to the office card, which whenever you have a problem with your order, you just send this back with your whatever item it is that you had a problem with. You just send it back with this card right here. And if you guys have not watched my first review on their eyeshadow palette, I will be putting the link below so you guys can watch that video. And then of course I have the goodies right here. I have the matte color lips, and I have the Hall Pass lip gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the lip gloss first with one of the color pencils. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this up, and I'm not gonna use all of them, but I'll do like color swatches on my wrist so you guys can see. And I kind of want to feel the texture too, just to see how the texture feels. And of course at the end of the pencil it shows you the colors and whatever. So of course the black one, I will be using that as eyeliner because I don't have any black lipstick, and I just don't see myself really using black lip liner, but I'll be using it for that. Then you have this maroon kind of color, which I think is going to look really pretty with one of the colors that I got. This one is plum. So let me just go ahead and quickly just show you guys. And these are really soft actually, so damn, that didn't work. So let's do it right here. They're very soft to the touch, and they look like a pencil. They don't look like your normal lip liners. It looks more like an actual pencil. Then I got, this one is called Bear. So this is gonna be like a brown. So if you're looking for a dark brown lip liner, this is it right here. Then I got this one over here. This is called Magento. That's kind of cute, Magento. This is pretty. I got Nudist. So let's see, Nudist is really not going to show up on my skin, but if you guys can see right there. We have Coffee, which I feel like Coffee is going to be like the perfect brown shade because it's not going to be too dark. And let me just do the black one. The black one is called, let me see, the black one is called Black Ranked. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Actually, I'm going to try this one on my eyes real quick. So not bad. Okay, so we passed the first test with these lip liners. So we got the lip liner. So I'm gonna do the Hall Pass collection lip gloss, and the color that I decided to buy was Clean Kisses. So it actually looks like this. This is so pretty, guys. So it looks like this. So we're gonna try Coffee. So this is it right here, and this is 1036 Coffee. So I'm gonna go ahead and just line my lip. I like it because it's not too brown, you know? It's like the perfect brown. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place the lip gloss over it. Oh, okay. I thought this was gonna be sheer. Yeah, I'm feeling this. I was scared because I thought these lip glosses were gonna be sheer, but they're actually very pigmented. Okay, Crayon case, y'all doing it. So this is like the perfect nude combo for me. This is it right here. I like this. This is great. All right, so if you're looking for something that's not too sticky but has nice texture to it, it's not too liquidy either, and it's very pigmented, this is your lip gloss right here. Like, these are actually really nice. So these were $6. These are $6 if you're inquiring for these. So these are nice. So next we're gonna go into the liquid lipsticks and see how those work. So I have the color Presidential, I got Jambalaya, and I got Graveyard. First, let's open up Jambalaya. It's really pretty, and it's like an orangey color. So I feel like this color is perfect for the summertime, but you can still rock it out for the fall. And I also like it because I feel like it's the perfect color that you can also ombre with. You see what she looks like right here. So this is the color right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I'm gonna go ahead and try her on. So she's pretty cute. So far it's going good. I feel like the texture is really nice. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but I can definitely see it. It's like really smooth. So I do like that about it. It's truly a matte finish. You know, I'm not feeling any slipping or anything like that. And what I love is that I didn't have to put a lot on my lip for me to really get that opaque look. So I would say we're doing good so far. We're doing good. So again, this color is Jambalaya. Go ahead with Presidential, which is this one. And you guys, this color is this is like out of my comfort zone, but I really wanted to try this. So I was like, what the heck, I'll just go ahead and try this. I've never tried a color like this, so let's go ahead and try this. So before I put this on my lip, this is the color swatch. After it dried, I'm actually feeling it. I'm still, you know, getting that nice matte look to it. It's pretty opaque. I did have to build this one on a little bit more, maybe because of the color, but other than that, it feels just like Jambalaya. And in pictures, it looks so long. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and try Graveyard. Okay, so Graveyard is actually lighter than what I expected. I thought that it was going to be like a darker color, but it's like a plum color, which this isn't ugly or anything, but I just thought it was gonna be a different color. The color swatching on the website was way different, so it is what it is. But yeah, this is the color right here. So this is it right here. Very pretty. I honestly want to just see the true essence of this color, to be honest with you, because I didn't think this color was going to be this light. So I don't even think I'm going to pair it up anymore. This is actually really pretty. I actually like this. It looks nicer on my lip. Like on my skin tone, it looks really light, and on the packaging, it looks really light, but it's actually starting to look like what I wanted it to look like. Okay, so overall with all these products, so first of all, let me go into the liners. So with these liners, there's many things that you can do with these liners. They're not just lip liners. I know I didn't try all of them with you guys, but at least I wanted to let you know how the texture was. So first of all, the texture was really smooth, and as you guys can see, it was really easy for me to use it on my waterline, especially with the black one. And then of course with the perfect, I would say the perfect nude or perfect brown, which is this color right here, the coffee, I feel like it was really nice. I feel like the value of it is actually pretty good for the price. These were $10, so getting 6 of these for $10 is not bad at all. I feel like it was worth the money, just because one, I needed some lip liners because your girl was running out of lip liners, and two, I definitely needed a black eyeliner, and I feel like a brown liner comes in handy for a daytime look on your waterline. Like if you don't want to wear black, it's good to have this. They're very smooth, so definitely this is a must get in my opinion. I feel like this passed the test. Hope that they come up with brighter colors like blues and stuff for waterlines, because I feel like that would be really nice to add to a collection, especially if you're a makeup artist. So I do hope that they plan on doing that in the future. When it comes to the lip gloss, I absolutely loved it because I felt like it was extremely pigmented for what it was, and also the color was really pretty. This is actually going to be my favorite lip gloss for now on, because I'm always looking for the perfect nude, and this right here is it. And paired up with coffee, if you're looking for the perfect nude combination, and yeah, this is it. This is it right here. Like, this is the perfect nude combination right here. And I think that I kind of want to order some more of their matte shades, which that brings me to the next thing, because they do have some nudes on there that I think I want to go ahead and try. Everything about it was perfect. When it comes to these babies right here, they're really nice. What I will say is, if you do tend to have drier lips, just make sure that you exfoliate, just so you have a very smooth application, because the worst thing is when you put matte lipsticks on and they're just tacky and horrible. But these were really nice. They were very opaque, and I feel like they're going to be very long lasting. They do not feel tight on my lip at all. I love the way they make my lips look very full. This color right here surprised the hell out of me, because taking it out the package, I mean, I feel like if you guys were to see this in person, you would understand. But the color that I seen online looked totally different from what this looked like in the package. But when I put it on, I was like, yeah, this is definitely the color that I ordered. This one right here was super pretty for what it was. It's out of my comfort zone, but I'll wear it to something. I'll wear it for a makeup look or something, but I will be using this because this was so pretty. And jambalaya was awesome. By the way, I didn't say how much these valued for, but each of them are $10. So, you know, versus other internet brands, it's pretty affordable. I just decided to get 3 because your girl was trying to stay on a budget. I wasn't trying to spend a whole lot. And on my order, on all 3 of these, well, all 3 of these, the lip liner collection and the lip gloss, I spent $52 plus the shipment. The shipment was $6.95. So without the shipment, it was actually $46 for all these items, but because of the shipment, it came up to $52.95. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have tried these products. Let me know if you guys would buy them. Let me know what your favorite color was on me or anything. I will be posting all the details below. Of course, I think that I will be buying more stuff from Crayon Case. I will be following their collection, and I will definitely be doing more reviews. I absolutely, again, loved the products, and they did not disappoint. So yeah, make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And make sure that you guys also follow me on Instagram at Peralta Knows Best. And make sure that you guys also check out Crayon Case on their Instagram at The Crayon Case. Make sure that you guys get your hands on some of these for the fall, because you know for the fall you want to rock the nicest lipstick. So yeah, I leave you guys with that. I will see you guys soon. Bye.